All right, welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV and the Reggae Boyz, the sixth-man provisional squad for the Concacaf Nation League that's coming up this month end has been released. No, not much new, not many new faces. Some same old faces. So I don't think this necessarily is gonna provide you with some elite level of information. These are names that you guys have seen already. So we're just gonna discuss it. We're just gonna run through it, run through the names, and just inform you guys of who is here, who's available for selection. I know a lot of people for the past couple months, all me I hear about is Greenwood. Who else may I hear about? I don't remember who else may I hear about. But I hear about a whole lot of different names I call. But anyways, these are names that Al Grimson would have sent up today. These are the guys that we want. These are the guys that we're working with. So I'm gonna run through it. Anyways, before we get into the details, people, I would really appreciate it if you guys hit that like button. Please, guys, hit that like button. Let's run through the names of the players because it's very important that we do. So I think you guys are definitely mostly acquainted with a lot of these players. See the guy, so it's nothing new to you. So let's jump on straight onto the names on the list. First of all, we have Kera Anderson from Charlton Athletic, and I have to see Kera Anderson. I'm hoping that he will be available for this one. I think he should be definitely included. Anyways, Kera Anderson, Michael Antonio, West Ham, Leon Bailey, Aston Villa, Deshane Bernard, Colorado Springs. Deshane Beckford. My apologies on that. Amari Bell, Deshane Bernard. Deshane Bernard though. Deshane Bernard just coming up now. Andre Blake, Romain Blake. Interesting. Interesting. Very interesting to see the youngster in it. So question, will you have a lot of the U20 players involved in this? That's a really good question. Romain Blake. Happy to see that. Anyways, continue. Connor Boyce Clark from Reddings, Javian Brown, Vancouver Whitecaps, Corey Burke, New York Red Bulls, Bailey Kadamar Thury. That's a Thury. Kadamar Thury is included. So he's one of the names that has been throwing around for a long time now. So happy to see that he's here. Sheffield Wednesday FC actually performing well, though I have to give credit to that. Norman Campbell from FK. Funny enough, I think Junior Flemings has been playing good, but let's see how that one pans out. Ronaldo Cephas, Devante Cole, Joel Cunningham, Shaquan Davis. Alright, I'm not pass the name them. Ronaldo Cephas, Ankara Gucho, Devante Cole, Barnsley FC, Joel Cunningham, Arne Garden, Shaquan Davis, Mount Pleasant, Kaim Dixon, Arne Garden. Happy to see Kaim Dixon included. Kemar Fossa, Waterhouse, Malik Fossa, Colorado Springs, Demarai Gray, Al Etifak, Tavan Gray, New York FC, NYC, Wells, Romeo Gotchi, Mount Pleasant, Wesley Hardin, Millwall FC, Michael Hector, Charlton Athletic. So let me just find the next name. So those are the first set of names. Let me just bring the next name to the forefront, which is a long list, as you can see. Ramon Howell, Mount Pleasant Academy, Omari Hutchinson. Very interesting because I think Omar Hutchinson has been performing well. Now, the last couple times since he has been called up, he quote unquote was not available. One, working at his club, starting out his club. Two, family, just getting family issues out of the way, settling down. So we've gotten a lot of excuses so far where Omar Hutchinson is concerned. This time around, this is the last straw. I did say that. Let me say it again. I did say it in the games I'll play one year. I did say that I'm saying, alright, I'll give him a blind because he just got the club. I'll look to settle down. But this time around, there's no excuses. So we will see how that one panned out. Daniel Johnson, Omar Hutchinson, Ipswich Town. Daniel Johnson, Stoke City. Richard King, Cavaliers. Amal Knight, Lexington SC. Kevin Lambert, Real Salt Lake. Joel Latibodier, Coventry City. Greg Lay, Oxford United. No. Okay, Oxford United. Dexter Lembikisa, Hearts FC. Damian Lowe, Philadelphia Union. Jamal Lowe, Swansea City. Interesting to see Jam Lowe. I would love to see Jam Lowe back in the squad. I love to see Jamal Lowe back in the squad. Terry McGee, Colorado Springs. Adrian Mariappa, Salford City. Kyle Ming, Cavaliers. Shamar Nicholson, Claremont Foot. Casey Palmer. Casey Palmer is actually in good form. Coventry City. Kaim Paris. Is that Sabah? Sabah? I don't remember the league. Sabah. Demario Phillips, Mount Pleasant. Ethan Pinnock, Brentford FC. Alva Spole, FC Cincinnati. Seen the other night. Adrian Reed, Cavaliers. So quite a few youngsters in the squad. Quite a few youngsters. Bobby Reed, Fulham. Dejan Richards, Chelsea FC. Lamont Rochester. Interesting to see Rochester back in the squad. Chicago Fire. Kemar Roof, Rangers FC. Jonathan Russell, Barnsley FC. Delano Splat. Fulham FC. Ricardo Cummins. Ricardo Thomas. My apologies, Ricardo Thomas. Dumby Holding. Chanel Thomas. Cavaliers FC. Jamai Tope. Mount Pleasant. Jamali. Wait. El Paso, Locomotive, Ronaldo Webster, FC. It's a weird name. FK. That's a tough name to pronounce. Let me see if I can get to pronounce that name properly. It's a very, very tough name to pronounce. I'm being honest. I'm being very, very honest with you. That's a very, very tough name to pronounce. Let me see if I can break that down. It's Jamal Wait. Webster. Okay, Bregal Nika. Oof. They're in the Macedonia League though. I think they're one of the top teams in Macedonia League. Anyways, Jaden White again. Nice to see about Jaden White in the list. Cavaliers FC, Devon Williams, Colorado Spring, and Romario Williams, Hartford Athletic. So these are the names for that are included in the Jamaica 60-man provisional squad. So very, very interesting to see what will the 24, I think it's going to be 24 or 23, whatever it is, what is the 23 or 24 man squad will look like. Very, very interesting. No, I'm pleased to see the names, the youngsters. These are the youngsters I'm pleased to see. Happy to see Romain Blake, Connor Boyce Clark. I know me always happy to see the youngsters in the squad. Who else is there? I think I saw someone, Kyle Dixon. Happy to see him as well. Omar Hutchinson. Looking through Dexter Lembikisa. Back again. There is one more. Whisper, Dejan Richards, Rochester, Splat. I think that is it. Those are quite a few youngsters added to the squad. Very interesting to see Romain Blake. Anyways, that's what I think about this provisional squad, people. I don't think there's much because you already have an idea of the players that will be selected from the squad. I think you already have an idea, but big up on yourself, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much for tuning in. This has been a good one. MG Sports TV. Have a blessed day. God bless. We're out. Boom.